In the quietude of late 19th century Germany, a curious mind emerged. Albert Einstein, a name destined to become synonymous with genius, began his journey. Our story begins in Ulm, 1879. Young Albert, an inquisitive child with unruly hair and a penchant for mischief, navigates the complexities of adolescence. Einstein, rebellious by nature, challenged the status quo from a tender age. His relentless curiosity, a beacon that would guide him through the corridors of knowledge. Fast forward to the hallowed halls of Zurich's Polytechnic Institute, where Einstein's intellect began to bloom. Here, amidst equations and theories, Einstein's mind ascended to new heights. The seeds of relativity were sown, and the academic world could no longer ignore the brilliance in their midst. As we delve deeper into the enigma that is Albert Einstein, let's uncover some lesser-known facets of his life, details that add even more layers to the complex tapestry of this extraordinary individual. Einstein's support extended beyond scientific realms. He was a supporter of the Zionist movement and was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952. He declined, citing his lack of experience in political matters, but he continued to advocate for the establishment of the State of Israel. In 1926, Einstein and his former student, Leo Szilard, patented a refrigerator design that used no electricity. The idea was to create a more efficient and environmentally friendly refrigeration system. However, the technology at the time was not advanced enough to make it practical. Even geniuses aren't immune to slip-ups. Einstein once referred to a cosmological constant in his equations as his biggest blunder. Ironically, the constant is now used to explain the universe's expansion. But it wasn't all equations and theories for Einstein. His love for sailing went beyond metaphorical escapism. His boat, named Tinef, became his vessel of tranquility on the open waters. As we admire his intellect, it's essential to acknowledge the complexities. Einstein's political activities, especially during McCarthyism, led to the FBI keeping a file on him, a testament to the turbulent times he navigated. Yet genius often comes at a cost. Einstein's personal life, a canvas painted with love and loss, shaped the man behind the equations. The complexities of love, the sacrifices made, and the weight of responsibility, all integral threads woven into the fabric of Einstein's existence. And then 1905, a year that would alter the course of physics forever. Einstein's annus mirabilis gave birth to the theory of relativity. The universe, as we knew it, expanded and contracted under the gaze of a single mind. The theory of relativity, a revolution that shook the foundations of Newtonian physics. The world was at war, and Einstein found himself at the crossroads of science and morality. A pacifist at heart, Einstein grappled with the paradox of scientific discoveries being weaponized. His letters to world leaders, a plea for reason in a world on the brink. The post-war years saw Einstein navigating fame, advocacy, and the pursuit of a unified field theory. Einstein's later years were marked by contemplation, a sage reflecting on the tapestry of existence, the secrets of the cosmos still eluding his grasp. After his death in 1955, Einstein's brain was preserved for scientific study. In the decades that followed, researchers conducted various studies on his brain, hoping to find clues to his extraordinary cognitive abilities. As we bid farewell to our journey through the life of Einstein, we are left with a legacy not just of scientific brilliance, but of a man who dared to question, to dream, and to reshape our understanding of the universe. The echoes of Einstein's genius reverberate through time, a timeless melody that invites us to ponder the mysteries that lie beyond the stars.